Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the new Aohi 40-watt dual port charger. Has PD charging, has flip out wall prongs. This one comes in black, but you can get it in yellow, which is also cool. Comes in all these other colors as well, right there. We're also showcasing the infinity cable from Charge ASAP. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. So there's your charge light indicator right there. And there we go. We have the blue charging and the green charging for these one more ComfoBuds, the mini ComfoBuds headphones. So you can charge this, you can charge your MacBook Air, you can charge your MacBook Pro, your iPhone 13 Pro Max, and all kinds of other gadgets as well. You can get this now from Aohi. We have this one in black, and we really like it because it has two ports and you can charge multiple devices at the same time. We also like this because it's magnetic charging and you can just pull it off just like that. It's super easy. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.